Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hi viewers, how are you all? Hope all the best. Today my topic about STC all codes. Let's see how to use STC all codes and for what. I will explain it in next part. I hope this video is helpful for everyone. Dial star 150 hash for no STC SIM number. Dial star 200 hash for Kitab point. If you are not registration in Kitab, so press 1 for programming registration. Press 2 for balance check. I have 39 points. Dial star 888 hash for no SIM offer. If you want to buy some package or calling minutes, you can buy from here. Dial star 888 star 5 hash for remaining data package. Dial star 166 hash for remaining balance. Dial recharge for your balance star 155 star, then type your recharge card number, just example. Then hash, then press. If you want to international balance transfer, then dial star 134 hash. Press 2 for country list. Press 1 for Pakistan, press 2 for Afghanistan, press 3 for Bangladesh, press 4 for Egypt, press 5 for India, press 6 for Indonesia, press 7 for Jordan, press 8 for Morocco, press 9 for Nepal, press 11 for Nigeria, press 12 for Philistine, press 13 for Philippines. And if you want to more another countries, so dial 99. And then thank you for watching my video.